PCWizKid here with an important announcement. It has come to my attention from many of my subscribers that you are not getting notifications when my latest videos are posting, and this has been ongoing for quite some time. I've had lots of chats with folks at Google, at YouTube, to try to find out what is going on, what changes have they done on their side to cause this to happen. As you know, I've been around for over 10 years now, making videos of which many have gone viral with millions of views, and basically a couple years ago, with the algorithm changes, my views have actually gone down dramatically, almost to the point that my subscribers are not even getting notified when I have a new video, which just doesn't make sense. As you can see here, for example, my top 10 privacy settings to check in Windows 10, that only got just over 1,000 views in 4 months. Normally, my Windows 10 tips, such as this one, would get hundreds of thousands of views within 4 months. So obviously, you know, something has changed. And this video, I mean, isn't a bad video, for example. I'm picking this one because it's pretty popular and very relevant to today. And many of you, you know, want to keep your privacy settings up to date. And that's why I made it. But I'm not sure if many of you are subscribed properly. By clicking on the notification bell on the bottom right corner there of the video, you get notified that I have a latest video out. Did you click on that bell by any chance, or have you never clicked on that? I'm just wondering whether or not many of you are actually receiving these videos or not, the notifications of them, and whether or not you clicked on that bell to receive those notifications. If you haven't clicked on that bell there that you can see in gray on the bottom right corner, please click on that so that I can, you know, at least get some verification that you are getting the notices, that the latest videos. If you've never clicked on that, then obviously that would make sense that you're not getting notified, because that's something that YouTube has put in place there, and many users obviously are not getting notified of the videos. So again, thanks for watching. I appreciate your support, and again, please click on that bell below if you haven't already. Thank you.